Charlene, the one thing I know for sure in this world is that so long as your wheels keep spinning, I'm gonna be all right.
Well, hey there, Billy.
Hey there, Ozzy. Listen up. I just got in on the biggest news this season. This is gonna be bigger than Bitcoin. It's called Autumn Mix. You take the candy corn and then you mix it with the little pumpkins. The kids love it.
That sounds yummy. I'm just calling cabbages as usual.
Oh, your cabbages are the best, Ozzy.
I know everybody loves my cabbages. Best farts in the world. What was that?
Sounds like something exploded on the roof.
Maybe it was fireworks.
What if it's a karmic consequence of humanity's hubris?
What if it's my very own airplane?
What if a terrible thing got crossed with a more terrible thing to make an even more terriblerist thing?
What if it's a basket of kittens?
Holy slits and souls, Ozzy! It's undead megafauna!
You get away from Lurleen, you bony-eyed petroleum precursor. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. No, not my cabbages.
My candy corn is street pizza!